दोस्तों, आप सबका स्वागत है आज के इस मॉड्यूल में, जिसमें हम बात करने वाले हैं हाउ टू क्रैक इंटरव्यू, हाउ टू फेस इंटरव्यू, हाउ टू हैंडल इंटरव्यू एंड व्हाट आर द इंटरव्यू स्किल्स। मैं सुनीता, आपकी दोस्त, अ सर्टिफाइड डेल कार्नेगी ट्रेनिंग कंसल्टेंट एंड सर्टिफाइड एनएलपी मास्टर प्रैक्टिशनर कोच। मेरे इस 20 इयर्स के एक्सपीरियंस से जितने भी जॉब्स और जितने भी अलग अलग एंडियवर्स में मैंने देखा है कि हाउ टू कंडक्ट एंड हाउ टू फेस बोथ वे, वी आर गोइंग टू सी द इंटरव्यू टेक्निक्स। तो सबसे पहले बात करेंगे व्हाट इज दिस कंसेप्ट, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय इंटरव्यू। नेचुरली इंटरव्यू जैसे कहा जा रहा है, इट इज द पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू बिटवीन टू पीपल, राइट? It's a different, like you can say, employer point of view and would-be employee point of view will be different, and interaction and exchange of this point of view between these two people is called as interview. Am I right? So when you want to go for interview, you have to know, you have to be very particular about some factors, some components. Like first thing is your resume, the mindset, then appearance, then how you are carrying yourself, then comes how you are answering the question, how you are interpreting the things, then last but not the least, your overall conduct throughout interview. Let's see now the first thing. When you want to actually answer somebody, the first thing should come in your mind about answering, that they are also looking for a good person, competent person, eligible, qualified person. So whenever you are going for interview, just keep in mind, as you required a good job, good company, the same way company needs a good person, good candidate. Okay, so be deserving in your attitude to have a great opportunity by means of this interview or the interview which you are going to tackle or handle. So this is about mindset. Second comes resume. Resume is altogether a new or a different module, you can say, wherein you should know how to draft. Instead of just copying the formats which are available on internet, how to feel, how to make, how to draft, how to build your resume the way it should. May it be for experience holder or it may be for a beginner or a fresher. So I am going to conduct full-fledged resume building module for you in the next video. Next thing comes as your appearance. What you need to carry yourself in, what costumes, what should be your attire, how you need to look, and along with all this, you need to carry a big smile and a confidence on your face. Okay, even on this parameter or component, I'm going to make a full-fledged training module, like etiquettes and grooming for different situations or occasions or conditions. So right now I'm not going into the detail, but the way you should go for interview, it has to be the most neat, tidy and a cool look. It should not be shabby, overpowering, or very shiny, showy or gaudy kind of clothes and all that you should avoid. Then comes about after appearance, we will say, how about the way you are walking inside? Is that you are carrying your body in a straight, erect, high-headed position, or you are maybe shaky or vibrating, or jerky moments, or dull face, or not really giving eye contact to the interview panel or the interviewer, or maybe sometimes it is like you are not walking with a purpose. So your walk need to be very confident. That is called walk with a purpose inside the room, interview room. Then what etiquettes you are using, like are you waiting them to ask you to sit, or you are asking yourself, may I sit? Okay, afterwards it comes like how you are actually taking care of your seating arrangement. Is it nice, cool, or is it very shaky or jerky? Okay, that shows how cool, how quiet, how confirm you are about the purpose of interview. Then comes giving a eye contact and a big smile to everybody in front of you, and greeting them about whatever, maybe it is good afternoon or good morning or good evening, it can be good evening also. So greeting them. Then you are just waiting, you are not showing that you are so nervous, please ask me question and let me go, kind of those things, or you might be shaking or sweating and you are just looking down and here or there. So just be cool there. Okay, just be cool and just wait for your turn. When they are just looking at you, your body language, whether you are hyper, whether you are nervous, whether you are excited, whether you are just prepared, just cool. So just wait for your turn to answer the questions. And generally, as you know, your resume contains all the required information about you, but still generally an interview panel asks you, tell us something about you. What do you mean by this? They just want to know with what pride and self image you talk about yourself, the way you are going to handle your company image, your job profile image. Accordingly, they are asking you for, tell us something about you, and tell us something about your family, or tell us something about your achievements or your past experience. It can be anything, but with what pride you are talking about yourself or about your experience or about your job or about your family, that makes a sense. And yes, it talks about your communication skill also. So please be original, be very authentic when you are expressing thought about yourself, and do practice in mirror before going into interview scenario, because that makes more sense. Like sometimes while saying something, we may be doing some distracting moments or distracting facial expression. Just to avoid it, we can go for mirror practice. Okay, they may be asking, the second or third question is like, why do you feel that you are right suitable a candidate for this job? So just tell them, sir, tell about how friendly you are, how research oriented you are. Sir, after going to the job profile and company details, I found I can be best justified to the job description and job profile of this post or position, and I would like to make my contribution in a very worthy manner. So would like to explore the opportunity with the company like you or organization like yours. Okay, and last but not the least, generally they ask, what is your expectation, what do you think your salary should be? But when you are beginner or fresher, you can just answer it as per company strategy, or it can be your answer can be let it be competitive, because the you know clue behind this answer, let me explain this to you. For every job, for according to the level of company or the kind of turnover or volume or size of company, there are fixed level of offerings or salaries to the job associate with. That is why you can just say as per company strategy. When you are a fresher, you don't have choice to negotiate on salary. Okay, because if you quote under or if you quote above, then both the situation may be risky for you, not uh, you know going through not getting clear your interview. So I can, a safer answer can be as per company strategy, or let it be competitive enough with the market. Okay, if you are experience holder, then you can just say some negotiable answer to this question. Sir, I would like to have the growth prospect and actual more than what I used to get in my earlier job. So this way can really help you to negotiate to answer this kind of question. And last not but not the least, you should always compliment the interview panel or interviewer for interacting, for having his valuable time with you, for interacting with you. So always say thank you very much for this very rich interaction or valuable interaction, or I'm really thankful for all your very valuable time with me. Okay, say have a nice time, have a nice day, whatever you can say at that particular time. And always just put forward that I'm looking forward to work with you. So this way you can close, you can end up your interview interaction or questionnaire. And I would suggest interview is all about mindset. Just put forward your step with the mindset of positivity that you deserve good company, good job, good salary, and to explore the opportunity as you are sincerely looking forward to contribute for the task or job. With this, I feel this will help you, this will serve your purpose, and I would love to make more videos related with personal development like today's. Thank you very much, my friend, but would request you, please do subscribe. Please hit the bell to have the notification from my channel, and do subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Thank you.